Here's why. Our skin, the largest organ of our bodies, is constantly exposed to the sun's harmful ultraviolet or UV rays. These rays can cause a range of skin damage, from premature aging to skin cancer. But there's another concern for those of us with melanin-rich skin. UV exposure can also trigger hyperpigmentation, causing dark spots and uneven skin tone. So how can we protect ourselves? The answer is simple: sunscreen. But not all sunscreens are created equal. For optimal protection, look for sunscreens with high sun protection factor, or SPF. The SPF number represents the level of protection the sunscreen provides against UVB rays, which are the main cause of sunburn and skin cancer. A high SPF, ideally 30 or higher, is key. But wait, there's more. While SPF protects against UVB rays, we also need protection from UVA rays, which penetrate deeper into the skin and contribute to premature aging and hyperpigmentation. For this, we need broad spectrum coverage.